Good morning, students. Today we will learn about calendar. So let us start. Students, we are well aware of calendar. It is an organization of events for our suitability. It consists of days, weeks, months and years. As we know, 1 year is equal to 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Students, as you can see, January, March, May, July, August, October and December. ये सारे मंथ्स जो हैं वो 31 डेज के हैं एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द मंथ्स 30 डेज के हैं, सिर्फ फरवरी को छोड़ के, क्योंकि फरवरी में 28 और 29 days होता है. Why? The year in which there are 29 days in the month of February is called a leap year. A leap year is divisible by 4. For example, 1200, 2000, etc. are all leap years as they are divisible by 4. And 1 century is equal to 100 years. Now see days of the week. We know that there are 7 days in a week, which are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. We see that 1 week is equal to 7 days and 1 year is equal to 365 days, जिसमें 52 weeks and 1 day होता है. And 1 leap year is equal to 366 days, जिसमें 52 weeks and 2 days होता है, क्योंकि लीप ईयर की वजह से 1 day increase हो जाता है. Now let us see question number 1. Convert the following into days. 3 ordinary years and 24 days. Students, in this question we have to convert 3 ordinary years into a days. So ordinary year means जो leap year ना हो उसे ordinary year कहते हैं. So here we have to convert 3 years and 24 days into a days. Students, as we know that 1 year is equal to 365 days. Therefore, 3 ordinary year में कितने डेज हैं ये पता करने के लिए हम 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 365 डेज से और 24 डेज को उसमें प्लस कर देंगे क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी डेज हैं. So here if we multiply 3 by 365 days we get 1095 days. Now here we will add 24 days. तो हमें मिलेगा 1119 days. Now let's see the next question. And here we have to convert 14 weeks and 6 days into a days. So as we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. तो 14 weeks में कितने days होते हैं ये पता करने के लिए हम 14 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 7 days से और 6 days को उसमें ऐड कर देंगे. So 14 multiplied by 7 we get 98 days और उसके बाद हम इसमें 6 days को ऐड कर देंगे. So if we add 98 days plus 6 days we get 104 days. Question 2. Convert 8 years 10 months into months. In this question we have to convert 8 years and 10 months into a month and we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. तो 2 year में कितने months होंगे? 2 year में 24 months होंगे. उसी तरह से 8 years में कितने months होते हैं ये पता करने के लिए हम 8 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 12 months से और हम उसमें 10 months को ऐड कर देंगे. So 8 multiplied by 12 we get 96 months. अब इस 96 months में हम 10 months को ऐड कर देंगे. So 96 months plus 10 months we get 106 months. So students, this is how you can convert the given time. I hope your concept is clear. Now it's practice time and your questions are here. So pause your video and please solve it and we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.